So guys, ubani ko ninyo karon. Madto ka og eskwelahan. First, syempre is maligo ta guys. Dayon magbutag sunscreen and magpahumot ta. By the way, that's from Intos and Cloud Scent. And akong outfit dra guys is super simple lang. My shirt is from Specti crop shirt siya, and which is I really love that. That's my favorite, and glasses from Sunny Shane. Basta. After na magpaglimpyo guys, and after din mag-attendance is I was planning to do a haircut, but I think I need a bag. So ayan, bumili na rin ako ng bag. Right after that is of course, ayun, nakabili rin ako ng ukay-ukay with this sweatshirt. I'm so obsessed with those things. And then nagpagupit. Ewan ko, I think wala talagang gupit na babagay sa akin. Right after, ayan lang, parang hindi lang nagupitan, diba? Tapos ayun, umuwi na ako guys. Sobrang simple lang ng araw na ako, pero yung gastos, OMG. So guys, yung plano ko magpagupit lang. Nakabili ako ng bag. I need this naman. Nakabili ako ng bag, ito siya. Ito kay ukay.